In this video, I will show you how to change App Store country to United Kingdom. So the first step is to open your App Store and then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now once you get here, tap on your iCloud account at the top, and as you can see at the bottom we have country and region. So simply tap on that, and then from here we just have to search for United Kingdom and select it from here. Now after we do that, we just have to tap on continue, then on agree, and then from here we just have to select none for payment method, and now we just have to enter our billing address. So for this, you can open any browser and search, as an example, United Kingdom McDonald's. Now we can scroll down and then simply choose one. So I'm going to choose this one from London. Now tap on show more details, and as you can see we have the address. So we can simply type in the address that we have here. So we have Shaftesbury, and let's type in Ave like this. So we just have to copy and paste this. So make sure everything is exact same. Now we just have to enter the postcode. So this is one of the most important step, because this is how they can know if you enter the address correctly. Here we have town, so I'm just typing London and London. Now for phone number, you can use the same one from here. So we can simply type in this one from their address. So we should be good. Let's see if it's working with the phone number. And basically that's all we have to do. So as you can see now, my country and regions has changed to United Kingdom. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.